As you can see, my lashes are hanging on by a thread. The dinner is not gonna be good. Let's do a little maintenance vlog. Right now we're on the way to my lash appointment. We have lash today, we have a wax today. I have a hair appointment on Wednesday, I believe. So I gotta take my hair out today. So I had an orthodontist, I'm in drive. So I had an orthodontist appointment this morning. I had braces when I was in 7th grade, all the way up to my junior year. So I had them for probably like 4 years. My retainers don't fit my teeth anymore, so now I have a little spacing up here. Yo, I gotta get Invisalign or braces again to close the spacing. The pricing was like $2,000, maybe like $700 for braces, and so the pricing for Invisalign was like $3,700 with a $2,000 down payment. Huh? You might as well just ask for the whole thing in full. What you mean $2,000 down payment? And then after that, the braces down payment was only like $200. $200, like $150 a month payment, like per month, until the whole thing is paid off. Invisalign, like, you're tripping. What do you mean $2,000 down payment? What that mean? I don't know what that mean. He told me that I should go and get more opinions, but I mean, what's the point? I feel like that's a waste of time. I mean, I should, but I feel like I looked up the average cost of Invisalign and it said like $3,000. It can go all the way up to $9,000. So I'm low-key grateful that I don't need a lot of work done like that, because it's literally like just spacing from me not being able to wear my retainers. So that's all they have to fix. So yeah, that's what we've done so far this morning. Now we're on the way to get my lashes done. I have appointments to get my lashes done every 2 weeks, okay? Because I need my lashes done. As you can see, my lashes are hanging on by a thread. Hello everybody, I am back. Last time y'all seen me, I was getting my lashes done. The lashes are done and they're cute. I don't know if y'all can see, if y'all can tell, but she snapped as always. Now I'm on the way to get my hair done. Finally, I am so excited to get my hair done because I'm not doing it myself this time. Like, can we get a round of applause? Y'all know I'm quick to do my own hair, but your girl need a trim. It's been like a year since I had a trim last. So I'm going to get a trim, dyeing it all black. I tried to dye it all black, but I used a box dye and it's just not all of it is black. Okay, I missed some spots. It was just a whole lot going on. I need some chapstick. If y'all see some boxes in the back, it's because I meant to throw my boxes away. Like, I packed my car up to go towards the dumpster on the way home, because we have like a trash chute where you can dump all your trash in. Y'all, the dumpster was gone, so I'm annoyed because I have to drive all the way to Greensboro with boxes in my car, but it's whatever. We're on the way to the hair appointment. Y'all let me know what appointment you think is essential every month, because I know girls that go get their nails done. They get nails, lashes, waxes, and hair all done every single month. I don't need my nails done every month. I would say my essential appointments are my waxes and my lashes. That's really all I need. If I have that, then I'm a cool girl. Like, I'm very content with not having my nails done, as you can see. I don't know why. I think it's because I work with my hands, so I don't really be caring like that. Yeah, y'all, I got a little slight beat to the face, you feel me? I'm getting the black color, I'm getting the clip-ins. If I told y'all, I don't know if I told y'all that, but I'm getting clip-ins installed too, so I can start wearing clip-ins. I just really want to do a half up, half down. I'm really excited for this style, and I know my girl gonna get me right. Like, she always get me right. It's been a year since I've been to her, more than a year actually. It's currently May, so last time I've been to her was last January. Like, that is wild. My hair is probably split bad, I'm not gonna lie. But we'll see. So yeah, that's where we're going. We're driving all the way from Charlotte. Yo, I could talk the whole ride there, so I need to just turn my camera off and focus. I'm looking at the road and talking, I'll be all right. I've just been not eating any meat. Last night I made some spaghetti with plant-based meatballs, and it was all right. It wasn't the best. Like, it was okay. The plant-based meatballs were low-key tasting a little planty. Not gonna lie, I ate around the meatballs. I did. So yeah, I'm so excited to be vlogging today. Honestly, without my lashes being done, it was not giving. Like, the vlogs were not giving. I was just looking at myself like, girl, like, go to your lash appointment. Like, and if my lash tech is watching this, girl, thank you so much. Like, you literally be saving my life. Like, welcome to Kenzie's cooking show. It is currently about to be 11 o'clock. I had associates this morning. I had 2 clients today, but for some reason I'm wide awake. So we're gonna be making some dinner. I'm currently vegetarian, so the dinner is not gonna be good. The dinner of today is pinto beans and rice. This is not an aesthetically pleasing video, okay? I am not an aesthetically pleasing girl. The first just passed. Today is the 3rd, and I just paid my rent today. What I'm basically saying is we don't have it, okay? But we do have rice and pinto beans and hot sauce. I would have made some chicken or something, but I'm not eating chicken, so. Y'all, chicken and beef and stuff is disgusting. I've been looking into the meat industry and all that stuff. I don't know why we're eating it. So the way that they have the pigs in their living and pigs eating their own crap and stuff like that, it's a no for me. Yeah, I was just looking at how the cows are living. I'm looking at how the pigs are living, how the chickens are living. They're living in these closed spaces, and that's what we're eating. I never really thought to look into where the stuff I'm eating comes from. But yeah, it's a lot. And then I never really thought, I always heard about them putting antibiotics in the food, but y'all, I never realized that they're putting antibiotics in the food because the sicknesses in the meat factory, they spread really easily because the pigs and the chickens and stuff is touching all the time, and they don't have any personal space. It's too much, okay? It's too much. I need my tripod so I can hold the camera. Smoking out the window. Y'all, I don't know where my tripod is, but I got a new case for my camera. Can y'all see? Look, isn't she so cute? She's so cute. All right, so I'm really trying to get used to vlogging and talking to my camera. So this is gonna be like a, what should I call it? This is gonna be like a, I guess a week in the life of, so y'all can like get a little insights of who I am. Cause y'all do not know me. I don't post on TikTok that much. I mean, I post on there, like I be talking on there, but I don't really talk about personal stuff. Like I really keep my TikTok, I just be doing like hair related stuff on there, to be honest. I got my hair page. I don't really talk about my life on there because that's not what that's about. It's trying to get y'all to book. What else? Personal page. Instagram, I don't even like Instagram like that. I'm not even gonna lie. Instagram is kind of weird to me. Still trying to get used to posting on there, because when I post on there, I'm about to have a panic attack every time. I really like TikTok. TikTok is something that I would be okay with getting like consistent on. So TikTok and YouTube, of course, like hello. But it's hard to be consistent on YouTube because it's literally like you have to put so much work into editing the videos and doing all that stuff. So that's what this video is for. I'm trying to get good at recording everything and posting more. Ain't she so cute? Look at how cute. so bad. Oh, and before I go to sleep, 10 skin. If you know, you know. So I'm about to do that real quick, and then I'm gonna get in my bed, do some research on that moisturizer, and bye.